Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, 2025. I am here at Julington Creek Marina, and this is an inspection video for calm waters. The zincs are a DP612 right here on the transom, an R4 rudder zinc. The shaft does not have a zinc, but it looks like it could use a 2-inch collar zinc. And then there are 2 bow thruster zincs. The boat is a little dirty. It's not insanely dirty. The water line's actually probably the worst part. But let's go ahead and take a look. Thank you for choosing DS Dive.